my god, Max! Stop! Don't do that! Don't be so dangerous! Come back! Max! Hey guys, I ended my Kyoto vlog here. We are on Kyoto Station and we are taking the train to Nagano. And here we're gonna go to the onsen, which is like hot springs, spa, hikes and nature. Zen. But first we're gonna travel. Because Philip and I wanted to get matchas. But yeah, here we're having our little bento box and our matcha, which we're gonna eat. Bento box. So we just arrived in the hotel and we're going straight to dinner. We're in Sia restaurant, which is a French restaurant. They have the most amazing dishes, so I'm very excited. Good morning, guys. We woke up in one of the most beautiful places here in Japan during our trip. We are here in the Tobiro Onsen in Japanese Alps, and an onsen means a Japanese hot spring, and this is going to be a place where we're gonna zen out and chill out, and where we're gonna enjoy the hot springs. And I'm so excited for this. After being in Kyoto and Tokyo, it's nice to come here and like really relax. I'm going to show you guys. We have a little private onsen in front, so we're definitely gonna try this one out. I will link this place in the description down below if you want to check it out. And I think on the planning for today, we are gonna do some hiking just to get some like fresh air. And then we're gonna enjoy the hot springs. We'll go visit the spa where we're gonna have like a wonderful treatment. But before that, I just want to show you guys quickly our room, because I think, Max, this has been the nicest place we've ever been, right? The combination of the Japanese and the Western style is amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. This, we can get some inspiration for our apartment. Workouts. And what I really love about this place, we noticed it already during dinner last night, that everyone gets a little pajama, and the women wear red kimonos and the men wear blue kimonos. So it's really great. Like, we don't have to think about what we're wearing. We can just show up to dinner, to breakfast, to lunch in our kimonos, in our pajamas, and yeah, really enjoy this place. I think we really needed this. We're gonna enjoy some breakfast, and then we're gonna go for a little walk, a little hike, and enjoy. So dangerous, come back! Bags! No! No, come back, babe. Babe, you scare. Baby, you scare me so much. Stop it. Come back. Please come back. How are you gonna turn around? No, I'm not gonna walk on the tree there. I'm so clumsy. I'm gonna fall down. Watch out. Come here. Oh my god.
It's a Ritchie puffer.
What are you wearing? My Ritchie puffer. And I am wearing Max's sweater and his kimono. My red nose and red cheeks. Oh, we just walked inside and we just walked after like 2 hours. We were so freezing cold, and now we are grabbing a little matcha. Look at this bowl. Oh, yummy. Okay, so we're warming up a little bit because we're gonna do a little barbecue outside, which sounds crazy. We already see them like prepping everything, but it looks amazing. The chef is gonna prepare some Japanese food for us. For now, we're gonna warm up with matcha. Oh, okay, we warmed up with our little matcha, and now we're all packed up. We're gonna have some barbecue outside. Studying on our country house, I never had to do it. This looks amazing. Really, really nice. And your chef. So cool. Body massage. I'm very interested because Ayurveda is an Indian, it's Indian, and it's all about like balances and energy, different energies in your body. So I'm very curious, and I hope to feel very relaxed and energized afterwards. And I'm still a bit rosy. So the best thing about this whole hotel and place is basically you're wearing your kimonos and like pajamas all day. And we're having dinner in a hotel. Everyone is just in pajamas and kimonos. This is like my dream spot, going for dinner in pajamas and having good food. So yeah, we're gonna go to the restaurant, and tonight we're gonna have some Japanese food. I think I'm gonna have like, I think I'm gonna have Japanese breakfast when I come back home. Yeah, it's gonna be surprising. Let's see what's on the menu for today. Hello, how are you? We're going this way? Hello! So pretty. Apple. I mean, I love these clear soups. Wowie.
Also, this is sesame tofu. Which one do you like most?
What's the sauce? We can ask them.
He's gonna make sushi for us.
You know, keep it.
Let's see, let's have to. It's very fruity, this. So maybe to see you guys tomorrow. So I'm already in my kimono and we're heading to the onsen. So normally I can obviously not bring my camera because it's a very private space, and you know, people are naked and it's a place to relax. But they just cleaned everything, and the hotel was really nice and let us go there and just film like a little bit because I really want to show you guys my experience. So we're heading over there now. feel so fresh, and I love my pajama. I wish I could take this I wish I could take this home. So after all our hiking and being in the hot springs, I like super dry skin. And what I normally do when I have dry skin, I'm just gonna show you guys a couple of my favorite. So I really like this one. It's a hydration sheet mask from Mascologist. It's very nice. And today, when I feel really dry, like when it's cracking up, I like to use this one, Vloet, because you can use this for like even your feet, your elbows, or your body or your face. You do have to pay attention that you're very shiny, and it's only when your skin is really dry. Then what I use like on a daily basis, I have mentioned before that I am going to be a co-founder of a skincare brand, and here it's called Easy. Is the magic in the little pot. So this is a prototype. This is not going to be like the full label, but this is the most amazing face oil with CBD, and it's all natural. This one is the hydrating one. I have been using this like every morning and evening here, and honestly my skin has felt so good. Let's see, what else do I have in here. Oh yeah, for like the cleanser here I am using this one. This is a cleansing balm from Omaroviska. It's very nice. And then when I want to scrub or do like something hard, you guys have seen this in so many videos, is this one, the facial scrub and mask. So yeah, and obviously also not to forget, oh my god, my toothbrush got stuck. My toothbrush got stuck on my pajama. Maybe not so practical. Is this Elta MD skincare one. So this one I use very often. So this one I use always like on top of my Easy facial oil. So yeah, I'm gonna put my kimono on in a second, and then I'm going to head to dinner. And honestly, I am so tired, but so satisfied. I haven't felt, oh, this bed is amazing. I have not felt this rested and zen in a very long time. It might also be because of the time difference with like Europe and the US, that I feel so distant from like the real world, I would say. So kind of like, even though my mailbox is full and like messages, it just doesn't freaks me out, because I'm like, oh yeah, they're just like half a day ahead, so it doesn't really, or no, I'm half a day or a day ahead, so it just doesn't really matter. And I'm just here like, I got so much, I don't know, I got so much inspiration here of the way how people treat each other, how they treat their things, how they like are so organized and so precise. And I think it's just such incredible to have so much order, because I personally really don't have that. I'm like so chaotic, and like I really feel like kind of here I don't know, I'm on my best behavior. And besides that, I also got very inspired by all the food we ate. It was so amazing. I'm sorry if I vlogged way too much food, but it was just too beautiful not to share. And yeah, I got also very inspired by all like the interior design and like the houses and the wood. And yeah, as you guys know, I'm still looking for like a place in LA. So I don't know, I would love to, not maybe for this place, but for like my future home, I would love to put like Japanese inspired things in there. So yeah, that was today. I think after dinner we might go in a hot bath again, because it's our last day here. And I feel so happy. I feel so happy after this trip. We had a wonderful time with our friends, but also because everyone was just so warm and like open to us. Anyway, we're gonna head to our last dinner. I don't know if this is gonna vlog yet. If not, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did this trip, and I will see you guys very soon. I don't know what is bye bye in Japanese. Teach me. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button here. Share this with all your friends.